up guys, Sophie here, and I am back with another hair tutorial. Do you like it? It was super simple. It don't look simple, and probably when I'm doing it, it might not look simple, but it is simple, I promise you. So before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe so you can stay updated on all my videos. So why don't we go ahead and get into it, shall we? Okay, so to start off this hairstyle, I parted my hair into two buns. I literally just parted across and put a bun here, a bun there. I didn't feel the need to do that on camera because it was like really easy. And to slick down my hair, I used some old school jam, y'all. Yes, jam. And some Cantu edge control. Now, so to get into the mohawk, this is gonna be real easy, y'all. We're just going to get some Marley hair. And all the products that I use will be in the description box. Take the little rubber band, and this is gonna be our first section. So we're gonna split and twist. So for this, you're gonna have to kind of wing it. I'm gonna show you how I do it, but really you're just gonna have to look at your own head and determine, how you want it to go. So the first one, I'm just gonna kind of twist it in like this, and then I'm gonna so I can pin it like this. But like I said, there's no exact way to do it. Just make sure it looks good according to your own personal standard, and you'll be all right. And then for this one, we're gonna take it across like this. Okay, I ended up taking this twist out just because I needed to cover up my actual hair. And then we're gonna tuck this under there. All right, now we're gonna get a second pack. And for this, you're gonna get a bobby pin, go like this, and then stick it in the back. And I know this doesn't look, so you're gonna do the same thing and twist each strand. And so you see the back of my stuff like this, you're gonna go around the bun. And so for the second section, I'm just going to make sure that I have my bun covered by just going across. And then you can pin it into place just to make sure, your bun is not showing. Then I'm just gonna take it and roll it like this, and then pin it. And like I said, this is kind of like a free flowing thing. You can choose to do, whatever it is that you want to do and how you want to place it. Like I feel like if I do this hairstyle again, it won't be placed the same way. So you just kind of have to place it in a way that your real hair is not showing and that it looks full. And so I'm just gonna get this last piece, and I'm bringing it over here. And then you're just gonna pin it back like a mohawk. So now we're going to get our last pack of hair and we're gonna put it on the back bun. Once again, take the rubber band. Now for each twist, you want to focus wrapping it around your actual bun because it's going to cover it. This piece, since there's a gap, I'm gonna bring it across and then pin it here before wrapping it around the bun again. You could just, you know, do like I'm doing. And of course you want to make sure that so this is my last piece of hair and my bun is still sticking out a little bit, like right here. So you just want to use common sense and just make sure that your hair is covered. So however you do that, so I'm just gonna go place this around here, pin it, and then I'm going to, you know, do something else. Okay, I know y'all are probably like, Sophia, really? Because this is not the most instructional video because it's hard to tell you where to place each piece of hair. So you just have to use your eyeballs to kind of figure it out and just go. But I promise you, this is not as hard as it looks. So once you kind of have everything pinned in place, you're always gonna go back and just eyeball what you want the style to look like. So I tend to like my stuff huge in the front. You can continue to pin areas that are, you know, not working out for you. All right, guys, that is about it. The good thing about Marley hair is it is super forgiving, meaning that you could just stack it up on top of your head and it will look all right and just pin it into place and it's all good. Like, I know that this seems complicated, but it really isn't, I promise you. If you like this hairstyle, if you like this video, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I will see you guys another day, another time. Bye, y'all.